you that are new, welcome. I'm Erica and I'm so glad that you're here on my channel. Now, I know I have been gone for a really long time. I'm so sorry. So much has been happening, but I'm back. I'm excited and I have all these videos that I want to show you. Just a little recap of what happened. Here's a couple of pictures to show you. So as you can see, so much happened, so many happy, fun things happened, but I am here to make videos again, DIYs and everything. I do want to make my channel a little bit interesting, so I'm going to be doing all sorts of videos just to make it, more interesting for you guys. This is more of like a hey, I'm back video, but I didn't want to leave without showing you at least some kind of DIY. So this year for Halloween, my husband and I dressed up as Peyton Manning and Brad Paisley from the insurance commercial, the Nationwide commercial. And for that, I was gonna be Peyton Manning. And I wanted to have a football just to kind of show I was a football player. So I ended up making this football purse. It's super cute, super easy, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Well, I'm so glad to be back. Like I mentioned, don't forget to like my videos, subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, it's also CruzieTV. I hope to be seeing you guys very soon, and I'll catch you later. Bye.